Ready? Say
Yep, go.
Yeah, baby. Good boy, buddy. Bring it. Good boy.
Nice throw.
He's doing good.
Yeah.
He had 1 second of hesitation. Good boy. Come on now.
I'm telling you, I should just pick her up and drop her.
I know. But you know what? If you could just pick her up and not... I wouldn't put her in over her head, though.
Oh, no, definitely not.
Here. You're fine. We're not going to do that to you. We're going to bite you, Justin.
Yeah, she probably would.
I'm not so sure she'd thank you for it.